Dang, this water is super low. That's extremely low. Holy cow. That's not really good. Wow. It's really low. Like the fish can see me type stuff. Anyways, today I'm using the Okuma DTR Custom. These are the DTR rods. I love them. I've been using them for a while now. They work great. I'm throwing a tube, flipping a tube, because it's been a while since I've been to this spot. So again, check these rods out from Okuma. I love them. They're light. They fit in my palm perfectly. They're nice and slim from here and up. They got a little nice butt section right here to hold your pinky, whatever. And yeah, this is the rod that I've been using, and I live and die by it. So check it out. Crazy. Well, there should be some fish here. There's always smallies here. Got him. No guy. There's fish. Really see hung on to it. And he choked it. Completely choked it. Nice. Not a big one, but it's the first fish. First Milwaukee River smallie. Let's go. That's a good sign. Man, it's so shallow like this. I just want to throw top water, but because I haven't fished here in a while, I'm not sure where it all staged, you know? It's different every year, believe it or not. There's a lot of bait fish, guys. Lots of bait. So a swim bait or top water would be a much more ideal. I'm just being really lazy right now. I'm just trying to pick and choose these pockets real quick. It's so sunny out. I just want to learn, you know. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been here, so I'm gonna do my best to just figure things out real quick, and then we'll start exploring with different baits here. Well, since it's so shallow, let's go with like a little fluke or something, or top water. I don't know if I brought that. Well, let's go with the let's see, let's go with the top water. Why not, right? I got floor on, but it's okay. Let's see what happens. It is fairly shallow, but we should be okay. That way we don't snag up as much. This is my favorite. This thing's been in my tackle box for years, and I'm really nervous to use it because we call it Mr. Clutch. Rapala, I don't think they make this pattern anymore. I could be wrong, but last time I checked, I couldn't find it. So this is like that skitter walker or something like that. Man, I've been using this thing forever. Little dude, popping. Look at him. Oh, he's on. Jeez, man. Top water for smallies. Oh my gosh, that's what I'm afraid of right there. There we go. Got quite the piercing there, buddy. Okay. There's like a hole over there that I can get to. There we go. Got him. That's a big one. That's a nice fish. Not a big one, but I knew he was over there too. Nice. Nice little guy. He just blew up like crazy. Jeez. I knew he was over there. Something was over there. It's a decent fish. Just chill, okay? Me and treble hooks don't get along. Oh, these fish are warm. Look at that. Pretty smallmouth bass. Jeez. For these smallies, they're being very stubborn. Like, if it's not in front of them, they don't want it. It's so weird. I just suck. It's just like, you just gotta find the deep pockets, you know? And it's almost impossible because they don't even want to be in there. It's weird. It's like they're hiding, almost. Got him. That's a nice smallie. That's a big one. That's a big one. Stay down, stay down. That's a giant. That's a freaking giant. Holy cow, nope, nope, nope. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down, stay down. That's a giant. That's a giant. Stay down, stay down. Holy smoke. Yep, stay down, stay down. Oh, nice. Dude. Oh, shit, what the fuck is that? There's a dead raccoon right there. What the heck? Oh, scared the crap out of me. Dang, he smoked it. That's a freaking tank right there. Alright, just chill, baby. Chill, baby. Look at that, guys. That's a nice freaking spawning. Something, I scared something. Something ran away from the forest. Holy giant. That's a big bass. That's a big bass. That's a nice 2.5, 2.7 right there. Probably doesn't look like it because GoPro makes it look smaller. I guarantee you guys, this thing's a freaking monster. Holy smoke. That's a nice fish. Look at that. Jeez. That's amazing. Beautiful fish. Let's get a selfie and get released. Oh, I'm shaking now. Oh, I knew it. I knew they're here somewhere. Jeez. Jeez. Oh my gosh. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh. What a football. There she goes. See ya. That's what I'm talking about right there, guys. Never give up. Just keep searching, keep casting. And look at that nasty thing right there. Oh shit, it scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, that's gross, and I'm standing right behind it. It's a raccoon. Died from something. Man. Little dude. Look at that. Popping. Got him. Little dude. Gee, you didn't fight so hard. Look what you did. Man. chill, chill, relax, relax. Oh, that's gonna go on you for a little while. That's gotta hurt, buddy. It's gotta hurt. You're basically pike food now. Man. Got him. That's a nice one. That's a nice fish. I knew they were here somewhere. That's a nice fish. It's a nice smallie. Jeez. It's a real nice smallie. Just like that, and I said, I knew they were here somewhere. Jeez. Anyway, guys. Sometimes you just gotta spend a little more time, you know? Jeez, bro, chill. They're a nice smallie. Man. Look at the rod, look how it bends and gives that forgiveness. You can't shake it off. Yeah. Nice fish. Whew. Yep, I was recording. Battery's about to die too. That's a nice male. Or a spawn off female, I don't know. That's a nice fish. Holy smoke. You, sir, just... You made sure nobody else had it. There we go. Another nice fat fish right there. Just let it choke all over. Jeez. Alright. It's a beautiful fish. Off she goes. Or whatever it is. Just like that, guys. Never give up. Don't give up on the spot because it's later in the day and they might want to see that bait 1 or 2 more times before they take it. A lot of people just hurry up and get the heck out of here, but I figured the bite is a little more lethargic. So if you can finesse them, great. You can top water them, just keep doing it for a little while, you know, because I believe they're here. They're just hiding by the rocks or something. They're just waiting for the right moment to happen, basically. Oh my gosh, little dude. Look at this. I have never been over here before. Promise you guys that. Why? Every time I do come, water's too fast. It's super slippery over here. So I don't recommend anyone coming over here on the water side. It's dangerous. Okay. Yep. Whoa, the freaking cheese! You guys see that? That was crazy. I was just messing around. Nice. I was just messing around. So cool. Oh, nice. That was so cool. Crap. Hey, bro. Don't push it. Easy release. choking my spit. Dang, that's crazy. I didn't think that method was gonna work here. Oh my gosh, that's insane.